Hello and welcome. In this video we will we will do occlusion for our scene. Occlusion is, I will not teach you in detail what is occlusion, and later on in near future, if I found some time, I'll definitely make a tutorial on occlusion as well. But now you can see I have created this scene, and if we play the game, you can see I have adjusted the camera follow, jump, and lot of other things I set up. Okay, so you can see UI elements also here, fruits and health bar, etc. Everything is working fine. Also I have created for example, we go to scene 1, then from scene 1 we will start our game, and here I created some dialogue system. Okay, so on the scene 2 I have created this dialogue system, and then user can click here start game and he will be on scene 3. Okay, so that's it. This game is focused on tutorial, so I didn't add too much things in the game, just a beautiful scene and with jump running. And now we will do occlusion for our objects, and also we will, in the same video, we will deploy our app for Android. Okay, so I will show you whole process. So first of all, we will select all things. You can do like this, it's the best choice, and then we can choose here we will choose static. We will click here, and then we will choose occluder static. Okay, then we will apply yes, and then now every object is converted to occluder static type. Okay, so now we will move to occlusion, and one by one we can do occlusion. We can bake our objects, okay, like this. So you can see I selected this camera rig, and after that I just clicked on bake, and actually it is baking every object. Okay, so I just selected that, but it will find every object with occluder static, and now occlusion culling process is done. Okay, now it's done, so we can see our result. So when we will be in a certain area, that area will be rendered only. Okay, so you can see in our camera view area is only, we can see that area only. Okay, so it speed up the game, and it's very important as well. So now our occlusion is done. Now if we run the game, we will find that our speed might be a little bit higher, and it's very good. Okay, so after this I will remove some irrelevant items from here, and I will just pause the video, and then we will convert it to Android APK. Okay, I have deleted some assets, but a lot of assets still remaining. So due to short time I will go with this, but I will suggest you that you should delete every item which is irrelevant. Okay, also I have some make some scripts, and I didn't make tutorials for that, unfortunately, because of time. So but I will share these all scripts, for example this dialogue script for dialogue, die script, etc., and a timer script. So I will add this script to my site, our site incern.com, and then I will share link in these videos description. Okay, so you can download these scripts and you can use these in your projects. So now we will build our game for Android. Okay, so how we will do that? First of all, 2-3 things I will show you, very important, that for Android it's very important to make your screen, this canvas, responsive. Okay, so for responsiveness you have to choose this in game view. You can choose the size of the your desired screen size. Okay, in my case I choose this 1218 to 720, and it's best size. I recommend you this one. Okay, you can choose this size also. Then after that, when we will go to this canvas, we should change its mode here. I will show you where we have to make changes. So this one, yeah. So in default it will be here. Okay, so you have to select scale with screen size, and then you will add same properties here. Okay, so it's very important. Also, one thing I missed here, that it should be 0.50 if you need your game for portrait and landscape also. I will deploy this game only landscape. Okay, so now we will go to file and build settings, and now our scenes are here. We will check our scenes, that we have 5 scenes, or yeah, we have 5 scenes only. So we will go to build settings, and then here, after selecting Android, we will select player setting. Okay, so in player setting, we will do we will add our things. So I already have added a lot of things here, but I will show you that how you will add all these things. And one thing, I think we will go to these sprites first, because we need images, and then again player setting, and then here we will add our company's name. Okay, so our company name is Forward Games, then product name. Okay, so our game name is Jampu, and default icon for this game, okay, which will be displayed on Android Play Store. So I have created these icons, so we will move this icon here, and you can see pixels are not good, so I will add this one with good pixels. Sorry, yeah, this one, that's also fine. For cursor, don't use any texture, that because we are using mobile, so we don't need adding cursor. So here in Android settings, we will click on resolution, then you can see here default orientation is auto rotation, and you can keep this like same, keep the same, and here in your case all things will be selected. So I rechecked these portrait because I don't need to run my game in portrait mode. So after that, show loading indicator, we can hide this, no need of this. After that, we have icon. Okay, so I already have created icons and drag drop these icons here. So enable Android banner. Okay, so this is the banner for our Android app, which we should change. Actually, this banner I created in past, so it's not good. So now I will change this banner, and how I will change this, I will just go here and I will take some real image. Okay, yeah, how I can take, we can move to snipping tool. Yeah, this is a good tool, and then we can run our game. We can just pause our game like this. No, okay, just a minute. Okay, now just snipping tool be ready, and here I want to take picture. Yeah, this one is fine. Oh my goodness, I just missed. Okay, no problem, we will do again. Yeah, this scene. So we can take image like this, and we can save this image. Now it's good picture, I think. Yeah, home is also visible. So now we'll open our Photoshop, because we need 320 into 180. Okay, till then I will show you these things. Splash image, I already have created these splash images, and I added our company logo here on the top. I will increase its seconds, and then Unity logo will appear. I gave it minimum 2 seconds, and if you have plus version, you can disable this logo also. So after this, I have this logo for Jampu. After that, I already created these backgrounds, so you can create backgrounds for your game and then you can add that backgrounds here. Okay, so now I'll just drag this image to Photoshop, and we need 380 into sorry, I forgot. We need how much we need oh my goodness, I can, yeah, this one, 320 into 180. So we can do like this, 320 into 180. Now we can drag drop, Control T, we can transform our image like this. I think here it is fine. Okay, we don't need that icons, so this is a good image, running Jumbo. Okay, so save as, and then we can save this image as 320 new, whatever name you can give it to. So now we will bring this image here in our sprite section, and then we will select this image where it is, this one, and then we will convert it to UI sprite image and then apply. That's it, now it's ready. And now we will go to build setting again, and we will replace this image. Okay, so this one. So now we have changed our image. After this, splash images area already done. Now we'll come to, you can see preview here. Okay, we can see preview here. So this is our preview, which when our game will run, it will look like this. Okay, initial screen. So after this, we will go to other settings, and other settings area is very important. Okay, I already have made some settings, so I will not repeat that. So here you will write your name, developer name, then your company name, and then your product name. It's very important that it should be in 3 dots, 2 dots should be there. Okay, so after this you can add variant for your game. I will name it to 1.1 variant, and then we can, what we can do, other things absolutely fine. Just you will come in publish settings now, and in publish settings we have to create one keystroke. Okay, so for this we will click here and then browse key store. This is important. So here we will add one key, jump to final, we can say it, and then we can save this key. Okay, we will give some password here, password should match. Then here we will create a new key, click, and then we will type our details. Okay, so in our case we have Jumbo, alias means URL. Okay, so you can type the name here, same name. So after this we will make our password and validity, this game validity. Okay, so you can keep like this, and here you can type your name and your unit and your city and your province and your code, country code. Okay, so after this just create key and everything is fine. We have done everything. So now you can see time 2:24 p.m. So if you will make games, you should sleep after 4 p.m. I think that will be fine with you. Okay, don't sleep before that. So now we will change our key here to this jump one, and we will add password here, and that's it. Our game is absolutely ready, and we will just click on build, and it will say us that where you need this APK. Okay, so we'll just name this APK Jumbo, and we will save it to documents and Champu main folder. You can save it wherever you want. Okay, desktop you can save also. So we will click on save, and then the build process will start working. It will take some time. Usually on my system is i5 with 4 GB RAM only, but I set up the things in such a way that I can do this 3D work easily. Okay, so in my case it takes almost 20 to 25 minutes. Yeah, absolutely, for this game it will take. Okay, so when the game will be built, we will launch this game to Android Studio, Play Store. I will make a video for that, and then you can also download this game and you can play, analyze, and comment, and then suggest that how we can improve games and drawbacks, so we can learn and polish our skill. Okay, thank you very much.